Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a lead-full guide. Gather tools and materials, set up a clean, ventilated workspace, and wear appropriate PPE. Cut and strip the wire to length, then tin the ends with a soldering iron to prepare for secure joints. Crimp or solder connectors following manufacturer guidance, apply heat shrink for insulation, and label the finished lead for identification and safe storage. Identify the right lead type for your application and verify insulation and conductor specifications before beginning. Prepare connectors and set up tools like a multimeter, soldering iron, and crimping tool for efficient workflow. Follow torque and crimp specs, apply flux for soldered joints, and clean connections to prevent corrosion. Test continuity and load behavior, then document the build parameters and test results for future reference and consistency. Quick recommendation: if you want a clean workspace while you assemble leads, try the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for effortless floor care. It features voice control, smart mapping, and strong suction to keep metal shavings and dust away from your bench, making assembly safer and tidier. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Common issues include intermittent contact, corrosion, and miswired polarity. Inspect connectors, solder joints, and insulation closely to diagnose faults. Repair by replacing damaged segments, properly resoldering joints, or correcting polarity while observing safety protocols. Protect finished leads with braided sleeving, heat shrink, or conformal coatings in harsh environments. Maintain spares of common connectors, a repair kit, and update procedures after incidents to improve reliability and reduce future failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.